everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we will be talking about few products which actually do what they claim. So guys, there are millions of products in the market which claims a lot of things but they do nothing to your face. Here we will be picking out few skincare products which are really good, affordable, and they actually do what they claim. For example, if a product claims that it helps in brightening and whitening your face, then the product I will be showing you here does the job. So guys, if you want to see that what affordable products I am talking about and what benefit they gives you, then keep on watching this video. Before starting this video, let me just tell you that I have two giveaway running on my channel and Instagram. First one is Mac Ruby Woo, which is running on my channel. I will be linking that video down in the description box. So just click on that, follow the rules and participate in that giveaway. And also the second giveaway is of Velvet Teddy, Mac Velvet Teddy, which is running on my Instagram. So everything is given on that particular post. Go on my Instagram and follow me over there and see what are the rules. And the result will be announced on 15th of May 2020. I hope you all will participate because it's the first time I am giving any MAC product on my channel because that's my favorite. So guys, let's start with the first product right now in front of me. So the first product is obviously the sheet mask. These are the sheet masks which I'm talking about. This one is from the brand Face Shop and this is really nice sheet mask. In fact, this one is a rice one, but each and every sheet mask from the Face Shop are amazing. Another one, I have this Garnier Skin Natural. These are like amazing sheet mask as well, almost equivalent to that Face Shop one because it retailed for approx 150 rupees and this one retailed for 100 rupees. So guys, you can choose either of them, whatever your budget is, and both of them do equivalent job. And then I am going to put the link of that video in the bottom bar so that you can check and see the instant result on my face because I have given a detailed review on the sheet mask, so do check that out. So guys, the main purpose of the sheet mask is to give you instant hydration as well as instant glow. I actually recommend you guys to use it for good 30 minutes because it actually takes some time to absorb all the hydration to your face. It actually makes your face so smooth and shiny. You need not to apply any kind of moisturizer after using this sheet mask. I actually recommend you guys to use it at the night time to get the best result. So I really love them. Moving on to the second product. The second product right here is from the brand Mamaearth. It's their Mamaearth Face Ubtan face mask. This is the one, guys. This is a really like a nice face mask. If you're looking for any face mask which should be herbal and also give you instant glow, then this is the one. It retailed for approx 499 I believe, but you are getting a huge tub in this price. It contains saffron, turmeric, apricot oil and it claims for skin lightening and brightening. In fact, you can see the result on the first use only. And guys, the smell of this is very herbal. You don't feel anything chemically on your face after applying this, and this is really gentle to your skin. So if you have oily skin, sensitive skin or dry skin, you can use this one. This is the thing for you and I really like it. And guys, if I have to recommend you one face mask over of all the million products in the market, I would definitely recommend you this one. Third product, which is a multi-purpose product, believe me you guys, and you can use it in number of ways. This is Wow 10-in-1 Miracle Apple Cider Vinegar Mist Tonic for ultimate hair and skincare, and it has apple cider vinegar. It retailed for approx 399 for this much quantity. And guys, it comes in this spray kind of packaging, and this is really nice to be used as toner on a daily basis because I am really using it as a toner on a daily basis during night time. And you can also mix this one with your face pack. And the third thing which you can do with it is you can use it on your hair scalp to remove dandruff. If you are having dandruff issues, you can just spray it on your scalp and you are good to go. In a week or so you will find that there is no dandruff on your scalp. So this is a multi-purpose product and you should definitely try this one once, and I am going to make a proper video on this one where I am going to make a face mask out of it and then show you the result, because this thing is magical, guys. Now again, moving on to the multi-purpose product right here from the brand Mamaearth. This one is Mamaearth Aloe Vera Gel. It comes in two variants. First one is the Aloe Vera Gel and second one is Aloe Vera plus Turmeric Gel. You can go with any of them. And guys, it retailed for 399 rupees for this much of packaging, and I believe this is 300 ml, which is a huge bottle. And guys, it comes in this pump packaging and it is a transparent gel, as you can see right here. And first of all, it contains aloe vera and vitamin E for skin and hair. That means you can use it on your skin, you can use it as a hair pack, you can use it in a multi-purpose way. You can add it to your moisturizer, you can add it to your face pack. This is the multi-purpose way you can use this aloe vera gel. It has no fragrance whatsoever and I am in love with it, because after toner I used to apply this one as well. Like sometimes I apply serum, sometimes I apply a gel, and both of them are giving very good results. So if you are looking for an aloe vera gel which is herbal and also do work, so this is the thing for you. It gives you a good hydration and also clear out like slowly and gradually. When you use this rigorously, then it is going to fade out many face marks on your face and any kind of dark spots as well. So you can actually try this one for a month and let me know in the comment section whether you like it or not. So moving on to the next product, I do have a moisturizer. If you are looking for a moisturizer which do its job and should be affordable, then I would recommend you this Garnier Light Complete Moisturizer. This is for both oily and dry skin people. Oily skin people can use this one as its own, but for dry skin people you need to apply some more moisturizer after this. So it actually claimed that it is going to give you brightening face effect and whitening. So I am not in a favor of whitening thingy, but still it do its job, and it retailed for 129 rupees, which is very affordable, guys, and 50 gram of packaging this is. One drawback of this moisturizer is that this moisturizer contains chemicals. So if you don't want anything with chemical or in your moisturizer, then do not use it. This one is affordable plus very effective product. The next big issue which most of the girls face are dark circles issue. I also feel that my eyes are very puffy sometimes, and also I face the problem of dark circles because I work on laptop, and also I work because I am actually a social media person. So that's why I have to look at different social media and look into my mobile all the time. So that's why I feel that my eyes are having a lot of dark circles. So for that I am using this Bye Bye Dark Circle Cream from Mamaearth with cucumber and peptides, and this is extremely herbal cream, and it retailed for 399 rupees for this much of packaging. This much of packaging, you feel that it is very less, but believe me you guys, you just need a teeny tiny bit of it and you're good to go for 2-3 months. And I feel that this is going to work for you for 2-3 months if you are using it rigorously as well. So guys, this actually does its job. So I highly recommend you guys, if you face any issue of dark circle, you can go for this one. Coming back to the last product, which is again from the family of Mamaearth. Believe me you guys, me and my son loves Mamaearth a lot, which is this Mamaearth Skin Illuminate Face Serum with vitamin C and turmeric for radiant skin. It actually works like that. I actually saw many YouTubers pampering this product a lot to use to do a 1 bottle challenge, and I really don't believe all these videos, but because I believe in Mamaearth, so that's why I took 1 bottle challenge. And first of all, let me tell you, this video is not sponsored at all, and I have purchased all of the Mamaearth products for my own money. So this retail for 599 rupees for this much quantity, which is 30 gram, which is quite less, but yeah, of course it does its job, so it's worth the penny. So if I have to suggest you only one product out of all of them, so I would highly recommend you to go for this one right here, which is Mamaearth Skin Illuminate Face Serum. So I hope you can imagine that what miracle it is going to do on your face. So yeah guys, that was my all the products which I wanted to share with you guys and help you guys in choosing the right skincare product for yourself, because I could see that many of my subscriber family were asking me to do affordable skincare video. So I wanted to put in front of you all the products which actually work and worth every penny. So if you like this video, then don't forget to click on that thumbs up button right below this video, and also subscribe to my channel with the red subscribe button right below as well. So when you subscribe to my channel, you will get notification of my new video whenever I will post it, and also follow me on Instagram to see my teeny tiny bits of my daily life, and also few reviews like one product review. So all the links are given in the bottom bar, so don't forget to check that out. See you in my next video. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye bye.